Motherfuckers, like, honestly, become undeniable in your field. Pick a field, pick an area, and just say, I'm going to be the best at this. The best person in every area gets paid millions. I'm the fucking best at what I do. If a motherfucker comes to me and he wants to build his brand online and he actually has something of skill, I can teach him how to make millions really fucking easy. But I mean, millions as having an online brand is the lowest of the shit. Like 2 million a year. The fuck is that? Like, I literally have $47,000 in recurring revenue daily. And every day I make 30 to like 150,000 extra every day. I make 30 to 150,000 a day in sales off everything that I sell. And then I have like 40 to 47,000 recurring every fucking day. I can make $1 million a month plus without doing one fucking thing.
Wow.
Damn, there you go, man.
Legendary,
Setting
bro.
up systems.
Yep.
We got here,
But
Peter.
where would those systems come from? Someone who's really systemized in prison. Like I woke up at the same time every day for 16 years. I did the same thing right after I woke up. I went straight into my workout. I did this. I lived the same systemized life every day to where I became so disciplined that all I had to do is pick up another system and beat everybody at it.
Yeah.
Because everybody's so fucking weak. They won't post as often. They won't eat the food they need to eat to look in better shape. They won't be able to fucking like really look at everything and replicate and duplicate something better than the next man. A lot of people have a fucked up eye to where they're just like, they don't understand. They don't look as good as the next dude. They don't sound as good.